Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Now of late I have been getting a hair fall, so I thought to try a hair mask, and so I am doing a DIY hair mask today. In this video I'll be showing you how to make a hair mask, how to apply it and how to use it. So this is the result of the hair mask. You can see how my hairs are shining. After using this hair mask you will get shiny hair, and also to some extent your hair fall and dandruff will get reduced because of the ingredients used in this hair mask. So basically I'll be using egg, lemon and curd in this mask, and so without further delay, let's get started with the video. So as you can see, the condition of my hair is really bad. There is absolutely no shine and no luster. My hairs are brittle, they are falling, I've got dandruff. There are so many issues with my hair, so I finally thought try a mask, and that too from all natural ingredients, so that my hair gets life. And for that I have 3 ingredients with me today to prepare the mask, and 3 of them are egg white, curd and lemon. Now egg white because it's a complete package of nutrients, and it helps in strengthening your hair, giving that shine, luster, and curd because I'm getting dandruff. So curd is the best remedy for removing dandruff from hair, and it also helps in cleansing your scalp really well. And the last one is the lemon, and lemon because there are many reasons to add lemon. First of all, it will cut the smell of egg, which is why I use lemon, and second of all, it will help in reducing hair fall. Now because I'm getting hair fall these days, so I wanted to incorporate lemon for that purpose as well. So I'll mix these 3 ingredients, and then I'll start applying it on my hair, and then I'll leave the mask on my hair for at least 40 minutes and then rinse it with a good shampoo and condition, and then you will come to know what my hair will look after using this mask. So this is egg white, and to it I will add 2 tablespoons of curd, and then I will add 1 lemon juice which I had extracted, and mix it well. And make a paste out of it. I hope you can see this. This is what the hair mask will look like after mixing all the ingredients well. So I'm going to apply the mask on my hair using a brush. Let me try with a brush first. If it doesn't work well, then I'm going to use my hand. Now you have to partition your hair and apply it properly. Yeah, it's working. I can use this brush. I think this much is enough for my hairs. So as you can see, I have applied the hair mask all over my hairs. Now what I'm going to do is tie my hair back into a bun, and then apply a shower cap, and I will let it sit for 40 minutes. I'll leave it as such for 40 minutes. So this is what my hair looks like after washing and after using the hair mask. I hope you can see the shine in this, and my hair feels so smooth after using the hair mask. For better results, you must use this hair mask once a week. I'm sure this will reduce your hair fall and dandruff to a great extent, and it will also improve the texture of your hair. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you use this hair mask, do comment down below and let me know. Do subscribe to my channel and do not forget to like and share this video as much as possible. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.